Welcome to EJH British Cars. So we got most of the sides of the interior done, so I thought I'd start getting the carpets ready for the floor, which means that I need to make up a set of underfelts. So I picked up a hand tool at Harbor Freight the other day, which is a power carpet cutter, and I thought I might try it. So it's cordless. It's got some sort of a lithium-ion 4-volt battery in it. So let's see how it goes. Because cutting the felt, underfelt by hand is usually a real chore. So I'm hoping that this will make life a lot easier. So let's go check it out. So this is the tool. It's Harbor Freight number 56192. And they call it a Warrior 4-volt cordless power cutter. So it's obviously hand side, just USB charged. Got a safety, so this switch here won't engage unless this is pulled down. And once that's going, it goes till you let go, or you're done. So it's basically just a rotating knife and an edge, so it works kind of like a pair of scissors. So it's pretty light actually. Oh, maybe a pound, and it's on sale. Oh, it sells for $39.99. It was on sale when I bought it, so I think it was about $10 off. So let's draw out a couple of felts and see how well they cut out. So this is one of the floor carpets. This is the protector pad. I think this should be for the driver's side. So just laid it out on here. This has got foil on one side. So I put it foil side up. As you see, it traces pretty easy. So let's have a go with the cutter. So the only hazard with paint cutting this outside is if you don't, it gets right, it's just shining the sun back into my face. But here we go. We'll start right here. Oh yeah. That is way easy. Usually when you cut this with a pair of scissors, it's, hack, 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 and you get a half an inch at a time. This cuts through this like butter. You make tight corners pretty easily. Wow. I think I just spent more time walking around the camera than I did actually cutting the pieces. That's really good. Nice clean edge. Not a lot of debris. Man, you couldn't have asked for much better than that. So I got all the pieces roughed out in about an hour, which is pretty good. So this on the drive shaft tunnel, this is what I need to trim from what the rough is, because this rough is the size of the carpet, but the tunnel carpet does that. But this is so much easier to fit in than fooling around with that giant roll. It makes sense just to pull it out here and trim it. So there it is, fit it just loose, and I'm going to use some more of that upholstery adhesive, Permatex, and we'll glue it. I glue it with the shiny side down because we're trying to keep heat out, and also I think that metal aluminum foil face will adhere to the tunnel better. So I also need to wipe this down because it's all dirty and dusty. Well, there's the back half of the car done. Now this one's a little wrinkly. I'm disappointed that this carpet is actually about 3/4 of an inch too long left to right, which really kind of makes it difficult to blend it in. And I suppose the professionals use steamers to get these wrinkles out, but I think they'll also will lay down with time. The rest looks really nice. I didn't attach these guys. I put just a little strip of adhesive on the felt so it wouldn't slide around, and then these I just left loose because they're going to come up and down and the seats bolt through them and everything. And I haven't bolted the transmission tunnel down yet, so I haven't done any work up there either. But it's getting late in the day, so About time to pack it in. So I hope you enjoyed all that. The tool that I was using, the one from Harbor Freight, it is going strong. It hasn't slowed down. And, cut quite a bit. It cut all those pieces out. There's like 15 pieces or more. And then I trimmed all the ones I put in on top of that, and I trimmed a couple of little pieces of carpet, and it's just going strong. It works like charm. Man, I wish I'd known about that things years ago. I always used to hate putting an undermat in. But boy, it's been a real pleasure with this one. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next time.